he's got the drill. He's got the drill.
Yes, yes. We're
SpongeBob's got the drill.
Yes!
Nice. Dog is coming. Oh, you got to dodge. Oh! Did you know?
Yeah.
You knew you could do that?
Yeah. I'm like the pro at doing that.
Oh, Shark's trying to tase him. Oh, Shark got wrecked. Shark got wrecked with the taser. Trying to tase dog.
No.
Oh no.
Amen.
You're all alone now.
Guys, today we're gonna play dog
With Shark.
with Shark.
Yeah, he's gonna join our game.
Not like Shark Dude. I think it's the same person, but
Nope, different person.
I thought it was like a different person.
Nope, Shark Dude is from the podcast of Roblox, which is what we started listening to. And Shark is one of your listeners. We added him as a friend the other day.
Wait, that's my Talking Ben!
You didn't know?
No.
Surprise.
So Talking Ben made this game. And also at the end, we will play a bit of Rainbow Friends RP.
Will we?
Yeah.
I don't know what that is.
That's it. Oh, I need a controller.
Oh, right. I'll join your.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Okay.
join.
Oh my god! Dash! Please scare me.
Shark's in. He said, "Hi, Ben." Say hi to Shark.
I don't have enough time to chat.
I'll read it. You can just talk.
I'm going to go out here. Shut the door!
Am I in the same game too? Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, he got me.
Oh.
I was checking the leaderboard.
Oh no.
I can read the
think
chat
he
now.
says, oh no.
Oh no, you're dead.
Purple bedroom. Oh, I got the taser. Ah. I ain't got the taser. And I got taser. Why when you come at me, dog? I'm shooting you.
Okay, let's see.
I know. Oh no! I need a fuse box to charge.
I think Shark died too. I guess we gotta wait for the next game. Let's see. Did you zap him? I wasn't looking.
No, I couldn't. Oh, okay. No, Shark didn't die. Oh, there's a charger there. Yay, I had you. Take that! Dog.
Dog. Oh, I forgot I have coffee.
Dude, he's no.
Is Dog a player or is it a computer?
A player.
Oh, I wonder if it's Shark. How do I check?
No, it's not Shark. He's still alive. I got green key. I don't know where this goes. Oh, someone just died. Not Shark, though. I'm just going. I don't even know where the exit is.
I can't help you. I've never
Can't
played
leave
this.
the
I have
house
no idea.
without finding a clue. Okay,
There we go.
No!
Oh no.
Amen.
You're all alone now.
So I'm just gonna be running around trying to find this note that they want. I don't know where it is, though, so that's the problem. So I'm just gonna be running around like I'm a noob at this game. Dude, where is the part? That's what I'm looking for right now. And I haven't found a thing. And I haven't even found it. Yes! No way! It's like Granny or...
Ronald. I tried to type Ronald.
Oh,
Here, just get eaten by dog. We'll start a new game with everybody.
No! Faster. Red Ben has died. Okay, now I'm Max.
Oh, there's more than one Ben?
No, that's just what his name is. Oh!
You have to try and escape, not just run back and forth.
No, he's going to come to that room eventually. So that's why.
Okay, well now we can at least play with Shark.
Oh my god.
Well, now you can say hi to Shark. He said hi to you like 4 times.
I'm trying to.
You're
Oh
trying to
yeah,
type? That's all he gets, eh? Is just a hi. Say it on your mic. Say hi, Shark. Thanks for playing with us. Where's SpongeBob?
I like adoption story. Oh, okay. This is a new map. Dude, this is the newest.
Oh, the new map. Okay.
I didn't.
Oh, Ben is right behind me. I almost died right away. I wasn't paying
Like you
attention.
did last time.
Yeah. I got distracted. He's behind you
So
now.
what?
Playing Star Wars game.
I'm looking for the white key. I mean blue. Oh, there it is. I'm in the blue lock. Hey. I got the red lock. Someone else can get the green lock.
Oh, dog. Almost got me.
I'm looking for the red lock. Oh, there it is. Bye, talk tomorrow, he said.
Rad Ben is leaving. Not Shark. I don't have anything. I can't. I need a key or something.
Oh my!
Look out.
No.
Dog.
Dude, dog's not letting me get that lock.
Alright, I got a blue key. Okay,
I need someone to distract them.
I'm coming.
Oh, great. No. Yes. Yes.
Dog.
Now I just need to find the black lock.
Oh, he's still right behind you.
The blue lock's
Oh, he's chasing somebody
already used.
Oh. I feel useless now. Alright, where's the black one?
I don't know.
You don't know. What about a red one? Have we? Oh, that's not a key.
Yeah, I already used that.
Purple and yellow we need.
Dude, that guy was just like jumping in front of the dog and then he died like, nah, you suck, dog. Oof.
Oh.
Oh,
Dog.
okay.
Oh, he's chasing me again. I'll just run in circles so you can escape. Circle. Oh, Shark's trying to tase him. Oh, Shark got wrecked. Shark got wrecked with the taser. trying to tase dog. All right, let's see if I can do
Green?
it. Oh no.
Oh, wait. Wrench? I got yellow key.
All right, how do I use this on the phone?
You just walk into stuff.
No, the taser. Do I gotta charge it?
No, you just touch what you want to tase, but it's kind of hard because you. I think you
taser.
got.
I do have to recharge it. I'll find another charger. Oh, poor shark. Let's see.
Okay, now I need a purple lock. I think it's in here. No.
Is this purple? Oh, yeah. Purple to get into the carousel.
What?
We need purple.
To get into the castle.
The carousel, however you say it, with the horses.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh, I know where this goes.
Oh, how do I
No.
crouch? How do I crouch?
You just. There's a button.
Oh, right there.
Yeah.
I miss my computer.
Why? Where is it?
It's in Latvia still. I didn't bring it home.
Why aren't you supposed to bring it home?
Well, I can bring it. I just didn't. I didn't want to bring it on the plane. Okay, I got a white key or a wrench. Do we need that? Dog.
Wait, I'm. Oh my God! I got the purple key from behind the fence. Oh no! I got the purple key.
Where were you? Where were you?
Right beside the. Right beside the carousel.
Inside?
Okay. Dude, it's been like
Oh,
0 seconds.
SpongeBob's in too. That's Shark's brother. You want to give him a shout out? Say hi, SpongeBob.
I don't know how to.
You just say,
Spell it.
hey, SpongeBob, with your lips.
Hey, SpongeBob.
That's the joy of doing a podcast. You don't have to type it. You can just say it.
Yeah, that's the new map. Double vote is 79 bucks.
Okay. Okay.
We're here. Let's go find Go Kitty. I know this entire map. Sorry, cat. Oh, I got the red key already. Dude, I know this whole map. Dude, someone's in dog and they're not even dying.
Maybe because dog hasn't spawned yet?
No, he just spawned inside a person. Okay, that scared me. That actually scared me. I thought he was glitched, but he's not. He's just pretending that he's glitched, and he's just making the people come and give him doing. Oh, hi, SpongeBob.
Is he just chit-chatting? Get back to work, SpongeBob. You have keys to find.
Yeah, we don't have time for that.
No time for shenanigans.
Yeah, no time for shenanigans. Now I know where the blue lock is.
Okay. I got a wrench and there's a screwdriver in here.
I got pink key.
Why is it? Oh! Dog! Oh!
That scared me.
I didn't know a dog had a different costume. It's like a black cat now.
Yeah,
Oh man. Scared the poop out of me.
Poopy butt face. Poopy butt.
Purple?
Yeah, I got
Alright, I'll monitor the chat. You can concentrate on the game. Oh, and I'll watch your back too.
Okay, he's not coming for me. Okay, I'm about to unlock the stairs.
Alright, well, let's get it done.
Bears. Hello, dog.
He's coming.
Bye-bye, dog. Dude, he does not know.
I think he's still chasing you. I still hear the footsteps. Oh, but you can. Oh, there. Oh.
I can just jump off. They're like a diving board. Dude, that's a great diving board.
He's behind you. Oh.
Wait, I just had this key.
It's okay. He'll. Okay. Dog's there! Okay, he's gone.
Why'd you try to...
I thought he was right behind you. He scared me.
Oh, there.
Oh, that's...
There's the green key.
Okay. Okay. Green.
Wow.
Oh, what was that noise?
Oh, he's going... That's the noise when the gun's getting charged.
Ew. Oh, he's tased.
Oh, wait.
But for how long?
Just a couple seconds.
Yeah.
Hello, dog.
Run away!
Na, you're a poo-poo head dog.
Oh,
Dog,
boy.
you'll never catch me. You're the worst at this game.
Dog. Oh, he's angry.
Dog, please don't kill me.
There
Yes.
we go. Boop. Okay. Dog is coming. Oh, you got a dog. Oh! Did you know?
Yeah.
You know you could do that?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm like the pro at doing that.
We should take your Lego robot and stick it on the jump key so you can never die. You just always jump around.
Oh, yeah, that. Guys, at the end, before we play the Rainbow Friends thing, I'll show you my Lego robot. But right now, I need to concentrate.
Yeah, you do.
Okay, that's where the winch goes. I don't know where the key card goes. Oh, shoot. I did not know he was going to go after me. I thought he was going to go after SpongeBob and Shark.
Okay. What's left?
I'm going to just stuck under this. Just kidding, you can't. No.
Black key and a drill.
I don't know where to... Yes, we got an extra crewmate. Yeah.
What, somebody just joined?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh. Someone just died.
Probably the guy that just joined. Oh.
Yeah, it was.
There's got to be something up here.
Do we need a
Oh, key card. Okay. And an orange key.
Oh.
There's nothing left in this room up here? There's something there and something
No,
over
I
there.
oh.
The white key you need downstairs.
Okay, you got it. Hey, SpongeBob, just use this diving board. I don't know why he... Oh my! Oh, you got the blue key? Okay, bye.
I think you need the white key over there. Or maybe over here.
Yeah. Now we just need the winch.
Well, you gotta open that door. Oh, you never grabbed the white key.
No, SpongeBob.
Dog's coming. Dog's coming.
Okay, time to... yeah! Parkour pro!
Like a pro. I thought you grabbed a white.
No,
Key
SpongeBob did.
Let's see what he's doing. Where's he at?
Oh,
Oh,
hello.
there's. Oh. Nobody has the white key right now. I think they died.
No, we
this
don't
guy's
need
got
a white key anymore. We just need the ranch, dude. We just need the ranch.
The ranch.
Wench. Let's see if I left it in here. No. Oh my god, that scared me. Okay, let's see if I left it in there. So,
There it is.
yeah. Grab wrench. We don't need key card anymore. Portal room. Okay.
He's distracted. Oh my goodness.
Oh. Thanks.
Shark. I think Shark zapped him. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, orange! Yes!
Is that the one you need to leave?
No, the one upstairs.
Ooh, who's that? That's a new person.
Yeah. That's a new person.
No.
No. I also think why they're making sounds is to make them confused so they would die more often, maybe?
Oh.
No, we
What's
can't.
on the floor? The black key?
Yeah, I'll just use the pliers.
First.
Because I know I need it for another place. Wait, I'll just use the diving board in case.
Yeah. You only got 2 minutes left.
Yeah, 2 minutes.
Dog's right there.
Oh, come on. Why did I just grab the pliers we needed? Oh, I think Shark's getting pliers. Yeah, Shark's getting plier. I mean the black key. Oh, I hope he used that diving board right there.
Oh, dog's gonna go get him. There is a vent he can escape from. Oh, somebody got zapped.
Oh,
He
She
doesn't have the
tried-
key. He's got the taser. So somebody's gonna get.
oh, he
He's
got
got it. Okay.
it. Got it.
Well, dog's there. Dog's there.
Blackie! Okay, now all we need is the drill. All we need is the drill.
He's got the drill. He's got the drill.
Yes, we're
SpongeBob's got the
actually gonna escape. Yes!
Nice.
Thanks for helping me. We need to find out what is hidden in the lab. You're too late, but I think I know where we should go next. Okay. Be close. Yes! Yay, we did it! Woo, good.
There we go. Back to the lobby.
Chapter 7 is here. Yeah, we know. Choose game mode.
Well, we gotta end the recording, but you can keep playing if you want. I'm gonna go make some supper.
Thanks, Shark and SpongeBob, for playing with us. I'll still play with you. I'm just gonna end the episode.